In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Shopify clothing store using the Dawn theme. Whether you're starting a new business or revamping an existing one, this step-by-step guide will help you create a stunning online storefront that truly reflects your brand. To get started, head over to your Shopify account. If you haven't set one up yet, you'll need to do that first. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on Online Store. From there, select Themes. This is where you can manage your current theme or explore new options to give your store a fresh look. Next, click on Add Theme and then explore free themes. Shopify offers a variety of free themes, but today we're focusing on the Dawn theme. It's a versatile and modern option that's ideal for clothing stores. Once you find the Dawn theme, click Add to Theme Library. This will save it to your account, making it ready for customization. Now, it's time to make the Dawn theme your own. Click Customize to begin this process. Here, you can upload your logo, which is crucial for building brand recognition. Don't forget to select colors and fonts that align with your brand's identity. Consistency in these elements is key to creating a professional and inviting store atmosphere. Moving on to the homepage, you'll see several sections that you can edit to showcase your products. Start with the image banner at the top. This should be eye-catching and convey what your store is all about. Next, focus on the featured collection and featured product sections. These are great spots to highlight bestsellers or new arrivals, enticing visitors to explore further. With the design aspects in place, let's shift our focus to adding products. Navigate to Products in the left-hand menu and click Add Product. Here, you'll input essential details for each item, starting with the title. Make sure it's descriptive yet concise. Then set the price, ensuring it reflects the value of your product while staying competitive. Adding high-quality images is crucial. They should accurately represent your clothing items from multiple angles. Customers rely heavily on visuals when shopping online, so make sure these images are clear and appealing. Also, provide variants such as size and color. This allows customers to easily find what they're looking for and makes the shopping experience seamless. Once you've added your products and finished customizing the theme, take a moment to review everything. Ensure that your store is easy to navigate and visually appealing. Remember, first impressions matter greatly in the online shopping world. And there you have it. You've successfully built a Shopify clothing store with the Dawn theme. Keep in mind that your online store is a reflection of your brand, so continue to update it with new products and fresh content to keep customers engaged. Thank you for watching and happy selling.